Blackrock, which is the world's largest asset manager, is making big moves into RWA. Why is that? Well, because they see what many retail investors are still missing out. In this video, I'm gonna show which RWA tokens Blackrock has under the radar and why should you care and how could you position yourself. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Before we get started, what are RWAs and why are they so potential? RWA, or real-world assets, are assets that have value outside of the blockchain. And the tokenization of these assets is the process of converting them into digital assets using blockchain and tokenizing them into tokens. Real-world assets are traditional assets that can be anything from real estate, stocks and bonds, even art. Okay, but why are they so potential? So they bring transparency, liquidity, and transparency for markets that were before illiquid, meaning that they are now easy to be bought and tradable in the blockchain. Why would you care? So they bring liquidity, transparency, and efficiency into illiquid markets that are very hard to be bought and traded. Now they can be bought and traded in the blockchain. Tokenizing RWAs is also revolutionizing the way we have access in some of these assets that before have high entry barriers. Besides, the sector have more than 17 billion in market cap and total value locked has grown more than 1 billion in just 1 week. Why is Blackrock interested in RWA tokens? The first thing we need to mention is that Blackrock is committed to the sector a very long time. Their first movement was the tokenization of their first bond fund on Ethereum that now is available in multiple blockchains. Besides the fact that Blackrock CEO have mentioned the potential of tokenizing assets such as stocks and funds for a very long time. He highlights that the role of the tokenization is democratizing the entry for these assets, so having a broader range of investors that would be able to access them. Which RWA coins are under Blackrock's radar? An important disclaimer here is that all of these RWA coins are speculation from their insights and partnerships that they have already announced. For example, we know they have a huge interest in projects that facilitate the tokenization of traditional financial instruments, so we use this information to choose the most potential ones. The first project is Ondo Finance, which is already have a partnership with Blackrock officially. Ondo Finance offers tokenized financial products that bridge the gap between the decentralized finance and the traditional finance system, just like the US Treasury bond. The second in this list is MakerDAO. They started as a protocol to mint their stablecoin DAO and have crypto as collateral. Now they are also adding real-world assets, just like real estate. Besides, we know that MakerDAO RWA treasury is around 2 billion. The third is Maple Finance. They are a decentralized financial protocol that facilitates institutions to borrow and lend into the blockchain. The fourth in this list is Centrifuge. They facilitate real-world lending, allowing real-world assets like real estate and even art to be used as collateral. Fifth is Swarm Markets. They provide a licensed DeFi platform that allows tokenized assets trading with a lot of focus in compliance. I'm particularly very bullish on this one because many RWA protocols will start coming and a lot of them will have problems with regulation. So this one being focused completely on compliance is a very strong sign. And this last one is a bonus. Boson Protocol enables commerce on the blockchain, which can be extended to tokenize of service and physical goods. It's like using a smart contract in real life where the person selling the product or service will only receive the money when certain criteria are met. Which means that the transaction starts in the blockchain but then are finished in the real life when the service or the physical good is delivered. Okay, so what this means for you? This cycle is heavily being pushed by institutions, so when they move, we just follow. Also, as they have real-world utilities, they also have real-world yield, which is attached to the real-world values they have. We already have the narratives of RWAs, and now we are having the adoption, which means pricing going up. The investors that positioned themselves earlier will be able to take more profits. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are starting to crypto, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.